Oh, we got David with the pass. See how he does in the fresh stuff. Oh, a little worried about that dig out. Not sure if you can tell, but it's pretty blown in. On a side hilly. And this is about all the speed you got.
A little bit of a traffic jam, huh?
We took the wrong road. We want to go that way.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll head back down then.
How's the snow?
Oh, pretty good. Sliding a little bit, but not too bad. I'm down to like 3-4 PSI now, so
Yeah,
we're doing pretty good. Well,
Snow's a little bit crappy. It's not too bad, but it can get slippery. You got to air way down. But we're still having fun.
for sure.
All right, so I'm taking off, headed back. I got a Christmas thing. A lot of these guys are continuing on. So it'll be the end of the road for me and a couple others.
Jeeps are dropping left and right. I'm getting redemption for getting stuck so many times last time I went out. I'm getting to pull a Jeep out. Good? And that, my friends, is how you rescue a Jeep. Well, we do like to run them low pressure, but this might be extreme.
Looks like you burped your back too. I mean, you're flat.
Jason, what low pressure do you run these days?
I think we're in the minus zone these days.
Bust out the vacuum pump?
You know what that's
Definitely.
called, Andrew?
What is that?
Karma. Karma. Karma.
He's such a nice guy. Why would something
He
like
was
this
telling
ever
everybody I was shitting in the woods.
In the woods?
We're in the woods. Karma.
We may or may not have heard that over the radio.
Maybe it'll pop back on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's looking better. Oh, yeah, heck yeah.
One, two.
Are you doing it or you want me to do it?
I haven't.
Will you come over and flip the valve? I'll do it. But don't get too close yet.
Sideways off, right?
Turn it on. Kick it when I tell you. Go. Oh, there she is.
It's always so satisfying.
Get more. Well, we think this was a success.
All right.
You know what they say about guys whose tires come off the beads, right?
They got really big feet.
Their wives take a big number too. We're down the bottom of the hill, we're airing up, and Scotty's got this high dollar gauge here, the slime gauge, and Chuck was giving him grief about it not being correct. So Scotty took it apart, bent the needle, and she's now a tuned gauge.
It's a tuner.
So Chuck, do you approve of that? Scotty's got a tuned tire gauge?
He approves the message.
There are my air tanks and see what you see.
Oh, yeah.
Need a pole? I was reading that earlier.
If you can read this, it could have passed you.
Yeah. I was reading that when I passed you, though.
Stuck.
I put those on there for Chuck, but he ain't noticed them yet.
Oh.